I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. One of my most asked questions when you guys meet me in person or when y'all comment on my videos is, Daniela, how do you not have pores? Truth is, we all have pores, we all have textured skin. That is normal, we are not Barbie dolls. I can show you guys some tips and tricks on how to reduce the appearance of pores. First step, the easiest step, and it's free, is hydrate. Everything starts from within and water helps flush out your toxins. Number 2, never go to bed with your makeup on. Now I'm gonna use one of my favorite products, the Sand and Sky Marshmallow Toner. This is pore perfection in a bottle. Grab a cotton and do 3 pumps. I apply it all over my face, but if you want, you can focus on just you feel like your pores are a problem. This makes your skin appear bright and smooth. I go in with a hyaluronic serum, apply a moisturizer of your choice. I already feel my skin more hydrated, more bright. Last but not least, do not forget your sunblock. Well, look at my skin. It is glowy, it is giving, it is appearing poreless. Okay, I'm gonna go show you guys my skin in natural light now. There is no makeup on my face, just amazing skincare.
All right, mis amores, so I got a lot of questions about how I get my hair so thick and long, and I'm about to put y'all on game. No, I do not have any extensions. This is all my hair. My secret is castor oil. It costs $5 on Amazon. It's linked on my storefront, and let me tell y'all, this changed my life. A couple years ago, I had a hairstylist burn my hair off. Yes, she literally burnt off my hair. I was halfway bald, and this is the only thing that grew my hair back. Apply a generous amount all over your scalp, then use a scalp brush, also linked on my Amazon storefront. I like to leave my oil overnight, but you do you, boo. The longer the better. Castor oil is really thick, so make sure you do this on wash days. Trust me, in a month, you'll see a difference. Try it out and let me know what you think. Also, comment down below if you want to see my blowout routine. Besos!
If you have pants that fit you really big, like mine do, then let me show you this hack. I buy my pants big because I like the baggy fit at the bottom, but then on the waist it's just way too huge. So this is what you gotta do. You're gonna grab your button and you're gonna put it through the first hoop, like this. And then you button up your pants like normal, and then this is what it will look like. Now they're not.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement.
Let's start off by prepping the skin. I have really dry skin, so these are some of the products I use for that. Do y'all ever feel like when you go to a makeup event, or I don't know if y'all go to events, but somewhere where you know there's gonna be makeup artists, you gotta slay your makeup for the guys. If you have dry skin like me and you like the dewy skin look, I recommend these drops by Sand and Sky. Oh my god, they'll have you glowing. Forget the brightening under eye cream, sunblock, I will not get tired of hyping up this Makeup by Mario foundation. If you have dry skin, buy this. Just don't wait any longer, just buy it. It's perfect. Trust me, this camera doesn't even do this foundation justice. Like, it looks so good. The Eternal Too Faced Concealer, I love it. The Milk Contour, ColourPop Serum Cheeky Blush. Like for part 2. I do have my doubts though because I have long, thick hair. If this works, I'm gonna be very impressed. Start off with adding volumizing spray to my hair. All right, make sure your hair is damp and parted down the middle. I'm excited. And then use this clip it comes with. Here we go.
All right, you guys, this is super simple. You literally grab your hair and you keep twisting it around and then you just add to the hair and keep on twisting all the way up until you use all of your hair. I actually love this because compared to the other heatless ways, it didn't give me a headache. It didn't feel like I had anything on my head. Y'all know your girl got a lot of hair and it's thick. So if this really works, I'm gonna be impressed. And well, just keep on repeating. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap.
I'm gonna add some hairspray just to really hold it all together. If this really works, I'm gonna be so excited because it was so easy and it's heatless. Like for part 2 to see the results.
Hey, it's me.
You guys, I'm so excited. Y'all know I'm a big fan of Uma Beauty. I made a video over the Uma Beauty Black Magic lipstick, and guess what? They have a sister brand, Uma by Sharon C. And well, you know I had to get all of them. So these are high sheer shine lipsticks. They also say they're smooth like butter. But I'm gonna try them all and I'll let you know what I think. Beautiful. All right, so far it really does feel like butter. This is so soft. It smells really good. It smells like mint. So beautiful. This is like a very natural pink. All right, lips clean, and now the next one. I love this. This looks juicy. My lips look plump. Now the next shade. I feel like you just don't get tired of applying. This has to be my favorite so far. This one is the shade Thirsty. Every time I just become more and more in love. Now we have High Key, which is a little more of a burgundy. See the color change. It is so beautiful. And you guys, these aren't even expensive either. They're only $7.50. This is giving hot girl fall. And the last one is this beautiful red. This is giving Christmas Eve. Peppermint scent, sipping on some hot cocoa. Can y'all see how juicy it looks? Can y'all see on camera? Uma did this. I am so impressed. Top 2 favorites would have to be the Loud, which is the red I have on my lips right now, and Thirsty. Get ready with me and let's talk. Alízate conmigo y hablemos. We're gonna start off with my hair. Vamos a empezar con mi pelo. So I feel like a new year always comes with new pressures. Siento que un nuevo año siempre viene con like nuevas presiones. Pressures to be better than the year before, to do better, to make more money, to have more success, more love, more happiness. Like presión en todos los aspectos de la palabra, like en éxito, para hacer más dinero, para tener más amor, like todo. And I feel like with social media, we're constantly feeling like we're not where we need to be, where we should be doing more. Siento que con las redes sociales constantemente estamos pensando que no estamos donde debemos estar en nuestra carrera, que debemos estar haciendo más. We compare ourselves to people that are maybe younger on social media, making more money than us, have more success, traveling more than us. Nos comparamos a las personas de redes sociales que de pronto son más jóvenes que nosotros, que están ganando más dinero, que están viajando más. And we're like, what are we doing with our lives? I'm not from LA, I'm from Atlanta. Well, I'm Colombian, but I grew up in Atlanta. Yo no soy de Los Ángeles, yo soy de Atlanta. Soy colombiana, pero crecí en Atlanta. So this is like kind of new to me still. I moved 2.5 years ago, but I moved during the pandemic, so I'm like, everything is still new, you know? Me mudé hace 2 años y medio, pero me mudé durante la pandemia, entonces esto como todavía es like nuevo para mí. When I first moved to LA, I had a lot of imposter syndrome. Cuando primero me mudé a Los Ángeles, yo tenía algo que se llamaba imposter syndrome. Me daba, que significa que sientes como si tú no debes estar ahí, como si tú estás viviendo una mentira, porque estás viviendo como una vida que no estás acostumbrado. Imposter syndrome is basically where you feel like you're being an imposter, like you're living this life that isn't really yours, and like you're not where you belong, you know? which is very common in LA. Anyways, I don't feel that way anymore. I feel like it's because I found like friends and a community and all of that, and I love LA. Like, I cannot imagine moving back to Atlanta. Ya no me siento así porque siento que ya he encontrado como una comunidad, amigos y gente que me entiende, y yo amo Los Ángeles. Like, yo no me puedo imaginar viviendo en otro lugar. But I meet so many people here that are going through that. And then I also know that there's the people that watch us that just feel this type of way every single day looking at our lives through a phone. But let me just tell y'all, not everything. I do feel like I'm very real on my social media. Like, I don't show this like fake life. Like, I feel like I'm very honest with you guys about a lot of things in my life and my journey. He conocido tanta gente y también por redes que es like, se están sintiendo así, tú sabes, like, comparan sus vidas a nosotros que nos ven por la pantalla, y honestamente no todo es como se ve, like, para parte 2.